Worried that political upheaval or economic turmoil could hurt your retirement savings? Gold and silver have historically acted as a safety net during crisis. Political and economic crises can cause traditional assets like stocks and paper investments to drop sharply. Physical gold and silver, however, often act like insurance for your portfolio. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains how these metals have historically retained or even gained value during inflation, financial crashes, and periods of global instability. This helps you understand why adding precious metals can safeguard your retirement against forces beyond your control. I've linked the guide for easy reference down below. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Digital Dollar Report and Company Integrity Checklist, providing practical insight into diversifying your savings. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free to see how gold and silver can help protect your retirement from political and economic shocks. The download link is right below this video.